Not bad this year, I have to say. You know what? Kind of gotten everything done pretty quickly this year. Don't know why. Guess it's just kind of survived. Always had a little issue with this zone. When this actually used to be my best grass, now it's my worst. Has to do with the shade, so I'm trying to get in there as quick as possible. So I bought this Earthgo at Ace Hardware, and that yesterday I bought like 329 at Lowe's. I don't know the weight of that. That's 40 pounds. That's just 0.75 circumference, whatever the heck that is. But I will tell you, square feet. What am I saying? Probably. Who knows? Anyway, this was just all water, and you could actually tell the difference in the color. This was nice and, I don't know, fluffy, and it makes it easier to work with. Even though this is a better buy in theory than this, sometimes it's not about that, especially for me, because I always have to carry things up and go up walls and hills and all this other crap. But I will tell you that this was just like very wet, and that happens to that also, depending on the fill, depending if it gets wet at the store, whatever it is. But yeah, those are things you kind of got to look for. But I mostly use that wet just to kind of build up these walls. What I'm trying to do is trying to almost get it level with the retaining walls. I've done it over there, but I moved around a lot today as much as I could do. Looks like it's going to rain. Looks like this guy is actually sprouting. Yes, things are starting to come back. Just trying to clean up as much as I can and as quick as I can. Still very dirty, but I did want to get some fresh grass seed in here. I also did what do you call it? Also did Jonathan Green Spring Up, where it's basically some fertilizer to prevent the crabgrass, stuff like that. Just get things going. It's what, like March 10th, and just trying to really get ahead of everything. It's a couple nice days finally, but it's been a brutal, brutal winter here. But things have done all right. Now it's just really about cleaning up all these leaves, trimming, and yeah, just a lot of details here, unfortunately. And I made it. It's kind of my fault for making it very intricate.